Welcome to bulk skip tracing. In order to do bulk skip tracing, what you want to do first is go ahead and click on Upload File. It's going to bring you to this interface. And it's really simple. All we ask is you choose a file, you select it, and in it, make sure that the file is an XLSX format at this time. That's why it's highlighted in red. We only accept XLSX formats. That's an Excel format. And what you do want to have in there is the best append rate that we can offer when you upload is you have a first name, a last name, an address, and a city and a state all in separate columns. So first name, last name, an address, a city, and a state all in separate columns is the best approach when you want to do bulk skip tracing. Now, you can only upload an address. That's perfectly fine. An address and a city estate, I should say. You can upload an address, city, estate, and we will find the ownership information for you and skip trace that person all behind the scenes. So no further action required to you, and there's no extra charge for us finding the owner of that address and skip tracing it. So I should say there's no extra costs in us finding the owner associated with it. Of course, the normal skip tracing rates apply. All right, so all you have to do is, again, upload that file, select it, hit Upload File, and then you're going to go to a payment screen. Go ahead and select payment, and PayPal is who we currently use. You can use a credit card with PayPal, as well as PayPal itself if you want, if you so choose. And then once that's done, what we do in this whole process, let's say that you upload 1,000 records and you have a certain skip rate associated with this. Our public rate is 15 cents. So that 1,000 records would be about $150 to skip trace. So we're going to pre-authorize your credit card for that $150. But let's say that we only append 800 of those 1,000 records. Now, unlikely, our append rates are usually 95% or higher, but let's say that only 800 come back appended. We do not charge for searching, we only charge for the appends. So your credit card will be charged that $800 times the 15 cents, and whatever that equals, I think $120. So you'll only be charged $120, even though we pre-authorized your card in the beginning for $150. So again, we pre-authorize it so for the max amount, but if we don't get that max amount, and we have seen some skip trace files do 100% append rate, but if we don't, then we only charge you for the append rate, not the actual count that you upload. So I just want to be very clear about that. So hopefully that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, of course, you can always hit us up in the chat box here and ask any questions that you have about skip tracing or anything regarding the services that we provide. Thanks a lot, and you have a great day.